The length of the side of a cube is increasing of 4 meters per second. In terms of the surface area, let's call that A of the cube, what is the rate of change in meters cubed per second? Okay, so let's draw our diagram. We've got a cube. It has some side length S. The length of the side is increasing at a constant rate, so side rate, that's ds dt. What is the rate of change of the volume? So that's dv dt, okay? So we want some equation relating volume to side length. So this is just a cubed, so length times width times height, those are all s. So that means that volume equals side cubed. And we're dealing with rates, so we can do the same thing we've always done, take the derivative with respect to t. Okay, so here we've got our little equation, but the thing is that right here it says we want the dv dt to be in terms of area. Surface area, excuse me. And so we don't have any numbers to plug in here like we normally would. No s, no dt, none of that. All that we have is a formula for surface area. So surface area of a cube, let's see, if we take a cube, imagine like a dice or something, or a die, it has 6 faces, and each of those faces is a square. So the area of one face is s squared. So the area of all 6 faces is 6s squared. So that means the surface area is 6s squared. Here, because we're writing it in terms of a, so we're not going to take the derivative. ds dt does equal 4 here. So we can do a little bit more with this. Now, notice right here this 12s squared. This is really similar to 6s squared. In fact, if we multiply this whole thing by 2, oops, this is 6, I'm getting ahead of myself. Notice how this matches up with this. So whenever we have two things that match up exactly, we can substitute, take out the 12s squared, put in the 2a. We're told our units are meters cubed per second. So what this allows us to do is it allows us to say we don't have to know the side length anymore. If we know the surface area, then that will be enough to help us figure out dV/dt. And this is useful if there's some other quantity that is more easily knowable than what would normally show up in the problem. And so this is just another type of problem that you can see.